Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hello YouTube, this is Wasay here, and today I am going to do a camera comparison between the Huawei Y9 Prime 2019 and the iPhone 10. So let's start the camera comparison.
First, let's talk about the camera specs of both the phones. The Y9 Prime has the pop-up selfie camera. The Y9 Prime has a motorized pop-up 16 megapixel f2.0 camera, whereas the iPhone 10 has a 7 megapixel f2.2 SL3D camera. It also supports HDR. For video, both the cameras can record at 1080p at 30 fps from their front camera. Now let's talk about the back camera of both the phones. The Huawei Y9 Prime has a 16 megapixel f1.8 wide camera and a 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, and also a 2 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor, whereas the iPhone 10 has a 12 megapixel f1.8 wide camera, a 12 megapixel f2.4 telephoto camera. The Y9 Prime supports LED flash, HDR panorama, whereas iPhone 10 supports quad LED, dual tone flash, HDR panorama, etc. The Y9 Prime can record a video at 1080p at 30 and 60 fps and a slow-mo video at 720p at 240 fps, whereas the iPhone 10 can record 2160p video at 24, 30 and 60 fps, as well as a 1080p video at 30, 60, 120 and 240 fps. So here are some sample pictures taken on both the phones. So in the first picture you can see that the background on the Huawei Y9 Prime is blown off, whereas more detail can be seen on the picture of the iPhone 10. Now here is another picture. Now if you look closely at the shadows on both the pictures, you can see more detail on the Huawei Y9 picture as compared to the iPhone 10's picture. Now here is another example, and as you can see again, the Huawei Y9 Prime has just blown off the background, whereas you can see the details on the iPhone 10 picture. Here is another picture taken on the portrait mode of both the phones. Now you can clearly see the portrait mode difference and the quality of image in both the phones. You guys are the judges. I don't have to tell you which picture is looking great or not. You can see the quality very well. Now here are some other sample pictures as well. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and thank you for watching this video.